Hello, good afternoon, everybody. We are staying here at the Best Western Seven Seas Hotel in San Diego, California before we go on our cruise. And I wanted to do a quick little room tour, but I wanted to show you this because it's got beautiful gardens around this. So apparently it has 12 acres of these hotel rooms and the gardens. It's pretty nice. So the rooms are a little older, but they're nice. So this is my room here. Let's come in and take a quick little tour of it. So you can see we've got two beds. I've already messed the room up because I was exhausted after my flight. So here's the two beds. Across from the beds, we've got a nice sitting chair, a TV. Come down this way. I've got a little desk and a mirror, which is nice. And then here I've got the bathroom, and there's me. Hi, everybody, and my hair is messy. Here is my closet, which is a good size. It can hold a lot of stuff. And then here's the bathroom, and it's got a regular shower tub. Nothing too special, but it's good. So that is a quick little tour of our room at the Best Western Seven Seas. It has a beautiful location with the gardens. It has an on-site restaurant that serves breakfast and dinner, which I'm going to go to next. And tomorrow we're going to have breakfast and then go to the cruise. So come with us tomorrow as we sail on the Holland America Zaandam to Mexico.